from the eSub Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to create a user profile page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's move on. So y'all can see that I'm about to sign in. So now I have given my email and password and sign in. Okay, so now y'all can see in my header that I have been welcomed with my first name over here. So in my header, I said y'all in my previous video that I have added a drop down which I can use it to move into other pages. So in my drop down, I have added some options. So today we'll be talking about the My Profile option. So these are all anchor tags, and I have added hrefs for them to move them for that specific page. So let's move on. So when I click the My Profile option, I will arrive to the user profile page. So this is the design of my user profile page. So it's also responsive. So let's see how it's viewed from a smaller device. Okay, so this is the view we will receive from a smaller device. Okay, so this proves that this page is fully responsive. Okay, so in this page, I have added my header, and then I have added a primary border, and then I have added 2 sections and 1 section to display ads, and over here I have added my profile image. So we have an ability to update this profile image. So we'll be talking about the updating part of this profile page in our future videos. So in this video, we'll be only talking about the design. Okay, so y'all can see that the data I inserted to sign up has been included in this text fields. So I can change my first name, last name, and mobile, but my password, email, and registered date can't be erased or changed. And we also have some extra options as address line 1, address line 2, province, district, city, postal code. So our gender also can't be changed. Okay, so this is the design of my profile page. So we'll be talking about the updating part in a future video. Okay, so now I'll show y'all how we have an ability to update our profile image. So this is the default profile image anyone can see. So when we click the update profile image button, we can change our profile image to any image we want. So I selected this. Okay, so y'all can see that my profile image has been changed. Okay, so let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this process. So these are the codes I have given in my header.php file. So in my drop down, I have added some anchor tags. So this is the My Profile anchor tag. So y'all can see that I have set an href to use the profile.php file. So let's move on to see the codes I have given in this file. So in our user.php file, these are the codes I have given to make this design. So firstly, I have added my HTML version tag, and in my header section, I have added my bootstrap meta tag, title, and then I have linked my CSS, and then I have linked my icon. So in my body section, I have created my design inside 2 main divs. So our very main div has the class of container fluid. So we talked about this container fluid in my first video. And we also have included this design inside the row inside the container fluid. So inside these 2 divs, I have firstly included my header over here. Then I have again given an PHP script over here. So inside this PHP script, I have firstly given and require for my connection.php file because we will be needing it. Then I have given an if block and checked whether a user is available at the moment. So it checks whether a user has signed in or not. So over here I have given an ESET and checked whether $session U is available. So U stands for $user. So then if a user is available at the moment, $email should be assigned to $_session U email. So U email stands for user email. So then I have made some result set. So our first result set is the $details result set. So for that I have assigned to a database search query. So over here I have searched all from the user table, and then I have inner joined our gender on gender ID. So I have selected gender ID to user.genderID, where my email is equals to the email that I have used to sign in. So then I have also created an image RS or image result set, and over here I have made an address result set. So over here I have fetched the data from the result set and assigned them to new variables as $data, $image data, and address data. Okay. So I have made this design inside the border primary and inside the row. So y'all can see over here that border. So after this border, this white color section is something separate from the border. Back to our code. So again, I have given a PHP script over here. So I have checked whether my image data part is empty. So if I have not set an image, then I should receive the default image that I have hard-coded over here. So if I have added an image, so if I have updated an image, then I should get a view of that image that I have updated. So that's my profile image part. Then over here, I have added my first name and last name inside spans. And over here, I have given my button or label. So I have given an on-click for them. So I have given an on-click as change image. So let's move on to our JavaScript file to see what I have done in it. Yes. So in my JavaScript file, I have assigned two variables as varView and varFile. So in varView, I have taken the IDs of my image tag. So I have given it as document.getElementById view image, and varFile to document.getElementById profile image. So varFile stands for my files chooser. So then I have given an onChange for my file variable. So what is this onChange? So an onChange occurs when the value of that selected element has been changed. So then I have given an unknown function, and for them I have assigned some new variables to create a URL, and then we should receive a view of that URL. Let's move on to our code again. So that's all for my profile image part. Then I have added my profile settings where I have to insert my data, update them, and where my other data has been. Okay, so in my first name section, I have taken the details from my $data variable. So the $data variable takes the data I have used to sign up at the first place, and then it has inserted that data to profile settings. So from that same method, I have done that to my LName, mobile, password, email, and join date. So then I said here that I have added some extra input text fields to add my address data, city, province, district, postal code, and then. Okay, and I have also added my gender. So the gender also can't be changed. And this button I have added is to update my profile. So we will be talking about the update my profile button or the process in my next video. So then if I have not signed in, my page should reload to my home.php file. So if I haven't signed in, I should not arrive to the user profile page. So it's prohibited. So these are the codes I have given for my user profile page. So I hope you all understood what I explained. Thank you for watching my video. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.